Hey guys, welcome back to LS Chop Shop. Today's video is going to be a simple little fix on a 2014 Cadillac ATS 2.0T. As you can see, the front map lights are starting to go out. I think these were replaced with LED lights before I got this car, and they're starting to blink and flicker and stuff. So I picked up a set of replacement bulbs on Amazon. There's the part number down there, and here's the front of the bag in case you're looking for something similar. I'm going to show you real quick how to pop this panel out and replace these bulbs. Start with a little trim tool, something like this. Don't have to be fancy. I like to start in the back corner or one of the corners. I'll work my way from the back to the front and then show you guys as I go. Just pull lightly down. You'll see both lights are held in with a little screw-in knob. I'm going to take one out so you can see it. And that is the bulb removed. So we'll replace it with a new one. So to get these out of here, I'm just going to pull like that. Come right out. Put the old one down. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. Let's see if it even fits. It's perfect. No more blinking. Again, just to take it out, you wiggle it out of its housing. And then position the new one in, just like so. Put it back in its spot. Alright, and then be careful as you're pushing it back in. So don't get any wires all twisted up in there. Super simple. That's it. Remember, if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. I got a couple more little projects to go. We just picked this car up. It's got an oil leak on the supply line for the turbo, so I'm going to be replacing that soon. You'll see that pop up pretty soon. I've also got another special project I'm going to be doing. This is my son's car. We're going to be wrapping the roof in a gloss black vinyl wrap, so that's going to look pretty cool. And if that turns out to be successful, I might even wrap the whole car in something kind of fancy. So stay tuned for more. Remember to like and subscribe so you get notifications and all that good stuff. And until next time, we'll see you again. Thanks.